If you're a driver in Delaware, understanding the state's car insurance requirements is crucial. Whether you're new behind the wheel or just double-checking your coverage, knowing the rules can save you from unexpected fines and costs. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about car insurance in Delaware, including the minimum car insurance requirements. For expert guidance on finding the best coverage, visit FreeAdvice.com. You can get free quotes to find the best rates by comparing top insurers, exploring different coverage options, and using expert tips to save on your car insurance policy today. Car insurance isn't just a legal requirement, it's your financial safety net. Imagine getting into an accident without coverage. The out-of-pocket expenses can be overwhelming. Insurance helps cover medical bills, repairs, and even legal costs in some cases. But how much coverage do you really need? Let's break it down. Delaware, like most states, has mandatory minimum car insurance requirements that every driver must meet. These coverages ensure that the other party's medical expenses and property damage are taken care of if you're at fault in an accident. So, what are these requirements? To legally drive in Delaware, you must have an insurance policy that includes the required minimum coverage. First up, bodily injury liability. This covers medical expenses if you injure someone in an accident. The minimum requirement is $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident. Next, we have property damage liability. This helps pay for damage to another person's property. Delaware requires at least $10,000 per accident. Finally, there's personal injury protection, or PIP. This covers medical costs for you and your passengers, no matter who caused the accident. The state requires a minimum of $15,000 per person and $30,000 per accident. Think of liability insurance as your way of taking responsibility for damages you might cause to others, while PIP helps cover your own medical expenses, regardless of who's at fault. But are these limits really enough? Head over to FreeAdvice.com today to compare providers, find the best coverage, and ensure you're getting the protection you need at the best rates. While these are the minimum car insurance requirements, they may not be enough to fully protect you. Imagine causing an accident with damage over $10,000. Who covers the rest? That's why many drivers choose additional coverage, to ensure full protection and avoid unexpected expenses. First, there's collision coverage. This helps cover your car repair costs after an accident, whether you're at fault or not. It can save you from paying out of pocket for expensive repairs. Next, we have comprehensive coverage. This covers non-collision damages, such as theft, vandalism, or damages caused by natural events like floods, heavy hailstorm, or falling trees. It's essential for protecting your vehicle from situations beyond your control. Finally, uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. This protects you if you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have enough insurance to cover the damages. Without this, you could be left covering the costs yourself. Adding these coverages to your policy can provide an extra layer of security, ensuring that you're prepared for just about anything that comes your way on the road. But what happens if you get caught driving without insurance in Delaware? The penalties are severe and the consequences can be costly. Let's break down what you could face. First, you'll face fines, with the first offense carrying a hefty cost and even steeper penalties for repeat violations. Next, your license could be suspended, making it significantly harder to get around. And if that's not enough, you might be required to file an SR-22, a form proving you have insurance, which can stay on your record for years and increase your premiums. So don't risk fines or license suspension. Head over to FreeAdvice.com today to compare quotes from top providers and find an affordable policy that keeps you covered using free comparison tool. It only takes minutes to secure the protection you need. Now let's talk about affordability. Finding budget-friendly car insurance is key, and some companies consistently offer the lowest rates in Delaware. Here are the top 3 cheapest providers you should know about. At number 1, we have USAA. USAA is the most affordable option, with minimum coverage starting at just $23 per month. The only catch? It's exclusively available to military members, veterans, and their families, making it a top choice for those who qualify. Coming in at number 2, there's Travelers. It is a fantastic option for affordable coverage, with rates beginning at $43 per month. It could be your best bet if you're looking for a balance between cost and quality. And at number 3, we have Progressive. It is an excellent option for customizable policies, with rates starting at $47 per month. If flexibility is what you need, Progressive has plenty of options to explore. These rates vary based on factors like driving history, age, and coverage needs, but checking with these companies is a great way to find savings. To see which companies offer the best deals, visit FreeAdvice.com now. In just a few clicks using our free quote tool, you can line up the lowest quotes and pick the provider with the best savings. Now let's talk about saving even more. If you're looking for affordable coverage in Delaware, there are several ways to lower your costs without sacrificing protection. Let's break it down. First, compare quotes from multiple providers. Comparing quotes from multiple insurance companies allows you to find the best rates for your budget, as prices can vary significantly between providers. Next is ask about available discounts. Factors like safe driving, bundling policies, or good grades can lower your premium, especially in Delaware, where many insurers offer specific discounts for residents who have completed state-approved defensive driving courses or maintain a clean driving record. Next is to adjust your deductible. Adjusting your deductible can reduce your monthly costs, but be prepared to cover more out of pocket if you need to file a claim. Lastly, maintain a clean driving record. Fewer violations mean better rates and bigger savings over time. Take these simple yet effective steps today to compare rates, unlock discounts, and start saving on your Delaware car insurance without compromising coverage. Seize the opportunity to save. Visit FreeAdvice.com now to compare multiple quotes, unlock exclusive discounts for Delaware drivers, and secure top-notch coverage at the best price. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review the key takeaways to help you make the best car insurance decisions in Delaware. First things first, meet the minimum requirements. To legally drive in Delaware, you need at least $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident for bodily injury liability, $10,000 for property damage liability, and personal injury protection (PIP) coverage. Next, consider additional coverage. Meeting state requirements is just the beginning. Adding collision, comprehensive, or uninsured motorist coverage can shield you from costly repairs and unexpected expenses. After that, find affordable insurance. If you're looking for the most budget-friendly options, USAA, Travelers, and Progressive offer some of the lowest rates in Delaware. Finally, shop smart for better rates. To get the best deal, compare quotes from multiple providers, ask about discounts, and keep a clean driving record. Many Delaware insurers offer savings for safe driving, bundling policies, or taking a defensive driving course. Want to start saving today? Head over to FreeAdvice.com to compare quotes, find the best coverage, and lower your insurance costs in minutes. Remember, having the right coverage isn't just about following the law, it's about protecting yourself financially. Make sure you're insured and getting the best deal possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on car insurance and everything you need to stay covered on the road. If you have any questions about Delaware's car insurance requirements or finding the best coverage, drop them in the comments. We'd love to help. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you're covered, save money on your policy, and drive with confidence. Thanks for watching. Stay safe on the road, make sure you're properly insured, and we'll see you in the next video.